equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Tali Lungin Dell P165G. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful with the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. This is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After cleaning, check the battery connections. Ensure they are secure and free from dust. If you notice any corrosion, gently clean it with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. This will help maintain a good connection and prolong battery life. Now, let's move on to the RAM and hard drive. If you're looking to upgrade, carefully release the clips holding the RAM in place and remove it. Insert the new RAM by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. For the hard drive, ensure it's securely connected. If you're unsure about this process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once everything is cleaned and checked, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Finally, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to maintain your device. By following these steps, you can ensure your Tali Lungin Dell P165G remains in top condition. Regular maintenance not only enhances performance but also extends the lifespan of your laptop. Thank you for watching, and happy computing. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.